Amazing. It's a super sunny day, it was, and we've just arrived here at Cape Cornwall, and as we're driving down the hill this crazy sea mist has rolled in, and it's like, yeah, it's beautiful. You never know what you're going to get in Cornwall. We are here to go to an incredible wild swimming spot that's just around the coast. I have been there once before swimming, that you can see one of my previous videos, but it was after I lost Miss Nancy and it's not easy to access. But when I was there, I did discover a different route down. The tidal pool priest's hole. Wow, it's actually quite warm, and that mist is unfortunately disappearing. It's kind of cooling me down. But the other thing about this place is that it's only there at low tide, so you've got to make sure that you time it right if you want to be able to swim in this bit, which we do. So it was now or never. Fingers crossed Tuppy can get down there without too many problems. We're going to be going down the other side of these rocks here. Very small dead end road, by the way, but I just saw Car starting to come back, so I put her on the lead and I got it all tied up in my hair, and he was like, oh, it was hilarious. Just drove past going. Now there is a little car park here, as you can see, if you insist on coming all the way down to the very bottom. But one, I prefer to walk, and two, it's down an incredibly long, narrow road, so don't come down unless you're happy to do plenty of reversing. But yeah, you can walk. The way we walked was not the most interesting way. The nicest way is to walk the other way, where you can walk along from Sennan, which is one of my favourite sections of the coastal path actually, but it is a couple of hours walk, and I felt like it was a little bit too warm for us to be doing that today, so we took the shorter route. Or you could park in St Just and walk down from there also if you wanted. I did my very first wild swimming video over here in a little rock pool. It gets called Dinosaur Egg Beach because it has these amazing big round stones at the top, which are quite difficult to get down. They're kind of boulder sized, but looking at it now, I can't even see them. I mean, sand and the stones change a lot around here because of storms, but yeah, it does look different than last time I was here. Good girl, nearly there. And that is where we're going. Oh, that's it, yay! Well done. There is people there and there's some dogs barking, so that doesn't bode well. We'll have to sit away from them. Ooh. Full disclosure, there is a sign saying that this route is shut back there, but I think it's fine. So I think you obviously make your own decisions what you think is safe or not, and you can go in across the beach. And if for some reason this doesn't work, we'll go back and try that. I mean, I can't see from up here how it got down. Must be the other side of those rocks. That's it, good girl, down the steps. Yay, you got it. Whee, clever. Okay, it's not that bad. We're just gonna go down there now and then across. I am kind of wondering whether this was actually a sensible way to come down, not gonna lie. Ready? Pulls down. I've got you, girl. It's okay. There. That's it. Good girl. Woo! Well done. Well done. Well done. Amazing. Amazing. That was so clever. Okay? That was so clever. Look, it's easy now. Okay? Well done, you. Wow. Poor Tuppence. I had to help her down that last bit. She's the best little rock climber I've ever met. You have a little treat? Little treat? There, good girl. fun. Yeah? But the shape of the rocks, it's like seeing nothing else like it. She's been so good. She came right over to that lady and the dog over there. She's pretty much made a friend. But there's quite a few people here, so she's having to be really brave. I'm just going to slip into the water now quickly because I don't really know what else is going to happen around here. If more dogs are going to come. Oops. Okay. Is that you? Come down if you want. Good girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. So cool. And the tide's starting to come back in through all the rocks. It's not only a pool anymore, there's some very shallow bits. It's completely awesome. I think poor Tuppence is a bit lonely though. I'm going to go back over and see if we can find another little pool, maybe, to swim in. Hello. Being a really good girl, aren't you? Yeah, well done. I won't leave you, girl, don't worry. I won't leave you. Okay? I won't leave you. Good girl. Should we go have some snacks? Yeah? Come on then. Let's go sit down together. This is just such a super fun. Where's Tuppy? There she is. This is such a super fun place to explore all over these rocks, the pools, the inlets. It's brilliant. But I've been in the water for a bit, and we're just going to go and sit down together now and do a little bit of chilling. Give Tuppy some treats, make a cup of tea, and warm up a bit. She's been so unbelievably brave. I'm so proud of her. Get some treats. bit busy for her, but she's been so brave. So proud of you. A little bit of tea with an amazing view. You're the bravest dog in the world, yeah? Best dog. The tide is definitely kind of racing in now, so I'm actually going to pack up and try to take us back around the beach while we still can. I think I may already have to carry Miss Tuppence through the water. Go on, Tuppy. Here, come on. Tuppy. Here. Water's coming. Come on. There's a good bridge here. Good girl. She's all right. Come on. Come on, girl. There. He's coming, Bob. I honestly don't think I've ever actually seen any sand on this beach before. So we just have to get over all the rocks at the back if we can. You're okay. You got it. That's it. Can we go up here? Okay, think you can do it? Oh. Okay. She coming? Bit this way. Good. Well done. Woo! Well done. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. I hope you've enjoyed it, and maybe you'll come for a swim or Podnavon one day. We're going to walk back to the car now, and hopefully we'll see you next week for another adventure. Bye. Bunnies. Oh, come get the